Are you ready to revolutionize your scrap metal processing? Let me introduce our all-new 1500 tune high-density scrap metal baler. Engineered for maximum efficiency, this beast delivers industry-leading compression. It has to feature first is unmatched density. Creates super dense bales measuring 600 millimeters width, 600 millimeters height, and 1,200 millimeters length. Perfect for optimized transport and storage. Need a different size? No problem. We customize the bale dimensions to fit your exact requirements. Second, crushing capacity. Process over 150 tons of scrap iron every single day. That's serious throughput, slashing your handling time and boosting your bottom line. Experience the future of scrap metal baling. Maximize your yield, minimize your costs. Get the 1500 team difference today. Contact us to learn how this baler can transform your operation.